The basics of CBD oil for ADD. CBD oil can be created from either PC or hemp, or from the marijuana plant on account of the similarity between both variants. The oil also can aid with a wide range of childhood illnesses. In comparison with other ADHD medications, CBD oil does not have any genuine negative side consequences. It is just one of more than 85 compounds in cannabis, and is regarded by some enthusiasts as having medicinal benefits. CBD oil is created in formulations that will be conveniently employed for sublingual administration. It is not supposed to contain any THC, meaning the oil needs to be highly refined to make it suitable for use, and therefore is not a natural product. Finding the very best CBD oil for ADD and ADHD in the marketplace is quite a difficult job and may call for a lot of research. The nuances of CBD oil for ADD. CBD oil is comparatively cheap as medications go, which means you won't blow your financial plan. A whole lot of individuals are using CBD oil for ADHD, and the majority of them have noted a great deal of health improvements. CBD oil is a product which comes from the marijuana plant. CBD oil, since it doesn't cause users a high like THC or marijuana, is safe for kids so long as they're monitored by means of a doctor while using the extract. The do's and don'ts of CBD oil for ADD. You may always decide to stop, and you will truly feel no ill effects besides a return of your ADHD difficulties. Although there aren't any key side effects of CBD oil for ADHD, we still advise starting small with a couple of drops and increasing slowly until you locate the appropriate dose. You can always locate the results online. Not a pure product. Some advocates for CBD oil claim that its consequences on the body are gentler and more powerful than medications for ADHD because it's a pure item created from a plant. The impacts of CBD and the fact that it can manage symptoms of several different health issues is the main reason it's becoming so popular as alternative medication. The effect of ADHD affects someone's performance at various social sites like school or workplace. Gradually upping your dosage will enable your body to become accustomed to the oil and cut down on your risk of side effects. The merchandise are gluten-free, non-GMO, entirely vegan, and don't have any extra sweeteners. Nonetheless, the products are so much refined that their taste isn't reminiscent of the typical CBD oils. CBD products are created in such a means to diminish the THC count, which makes CBD oil non-psychoactive. The CBD products can be taken in the shape of a capsule made when you awake in the morning. They will not cause psychedelic effects because they have been produced in such a way so as to minimize THC count. As a consequence, their products just smell as the conventional CBD oil products in the marketplace. The utmost strength product is the maximum dose, and a perfect formulation recommended for managing injuries which occur during sporting activities. Even when you're not taking different medications, be certain to speak to your physician before trying CBD oil for ADHD. If you're taking any medications for ADHD, be sure to follow along with the directions on the package or take them as prescribed by your physician. In reality, just like opioids, a growing number of individuals are starting to use ADHD drugs to assist them with studying and work, things which can be extremely dangerous and result in addiction problems down the road. Men and women using marijuana for a treatment for ADHD often self-medicate, which means the marijuana isn't recommended or prescribed by a physician. Whether you are diagnosed with ADHD or simply locate your mind wandering during the daytime, there's a chance that CBD could be the best supplement for your everyday regimen. ADHD is a controversial disorder for a couple explanations. ADHD is thought to be a controversial disorder for a number of reasons. ADHD can be treated by many prescription medications, but it's often quite laborious to discover the medication that is employed for each particular patient alongside dosage. How cannabis and CBD oil helps your mind. The one thing to do for CBD oil for ADD. Because CBD promotes a functional endocannabinoid system, there are a number of other ways that it may help alleviate health issues like ADHD. Actually, CBD is legal and can be purchased anywhere. Nonetheless, CBD alone is extremely legal. Although CBD is not as restricted internationally, some countries could have laws regulating its usage. In reality, CBD itself is what's called an antagonist to THC, meaning that CBD reduces exactly how high you can get. Hemp-derived CBD is considered to be an effective choice for children. CBD doesn't contain THC, that's the section of cannabis that produces the high. The CBD can help enhance their health by lowering the signs of ADHD. CBD is among the cannabinoids which are naturally present in the cannabis plant.